Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to play Steam games on Xbox. Using the Rogue Xbox Ally, turn on your Ally and launch the Xbox full screen experience. Your existing Xbox library will appear automatically. Use the left sidebar to browse the Xbox Store or Xbox Game Pass. Xbox Play Anywhere titles can be installed directly. Your saves and achievements will sync across your Xbox PC and Ally. Games not part of Play Anywhere can be streamed using Xbox Cloud Gaming or Xbox Remote Play. To install Steam games, press the Xbox button on the left side of the device and go to the Home tab and select Steam icon. Steam will update automatically if needed, then show up the login screen. Now log in with your Steam credentials and use the touchscreen to browse the store or your library. Install and launch games just like on a regular Windows PC. Once installed, games will also show up in the Xbox Library tab, letting you access all of your games in one place. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.